Hi guys, this is Vishwa and you're watching Vishwa Tech Logic YouTube channel. So today in this video, I brought the amazing app where you can get the free products from the online. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get all these products for free and how you can purchase and how you can make an order. So what are the requirement things and what you need to do, so how you can download. So friends, I will give you a link in the description. So in this video, I'm going to show you what is the process, how you can sign up and how you can get this product for free. So as you can see here, there is a nice product. So as you can see here, power bank, wireless power bank is also available, so you can get it. So before going to the video friends, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. I will give you a link in the description friends, so just click on it. So it will launch to the Play Store. So you need to use my code so that you will be getting the additional bonus in the app, like 50 rupees you will get bonus friends. So now let's see the process how we can sign up for the app. So once you click on link, this page will be redirected. So once click on install. So once you install the app friends, so here you need to enter your mobile number. So just skip all those things. So let us click on next and next. So next, so click on the login here. So let us log in. So once you click on the login, you need to enter your mobile number friends and you need to verify it. So enter the mobile number which you have. So let us click on the continue. So once you enter the mobile number, you need to click on the continue. So once you click on the continue, you need to enter your OTP. So you will get an OTP. So sometimes it may take some time, so due to the server issue, so you need to wait for a while and you need to enter the OTP. So let us enter the OTP and click on continue. So you need to set the password also. Set the password, new password. So once you set the password, here I will give my refer code, so which I am displaying the screen. You need to enter the refer code. So you need to continue so that you will be getting a bonus 50 rupees friends. So once you click on enter the code and click on continue, so you will be redirecting to this page. So once you get this page, so once you are in this page, so just tap on the points. So let us tap on the points. So as you can see here, presently I have an 600 rupees. So where you can friends, so you need to refer your friends. For each referral you will be getting the 25 rupees friends. And also if you download through my link and if you have been added my coupon code, so you will be getting the additional benefits also. So once you refer your friends, just click on redeem. So here as you can see here, save delivery charges 80 rupees for ordering of 500 rupees. Use the redeem option for the minimum purchase 600, available maximum benefit. So you need to purchase the 600 rupees so that your charges will be for the above 500 rupees, there will be no charges. So let us continue. So you can here friends, you can use your complete whatever you got the when you refer your friends, so you will be getting some points money. So you can use the total amount friends. So as you can see here, there are lot of products are available here: bag, fan, light, as you can see here. So dress, so clothes, all the clothes are available, brand clothes are available. Just scroll down, so you can take anything friends. So if you, in order to get, you need to refer your friend and you need to collect the points over here. So once you collect, you need to use the 100% of the points. So as you can see here, there are lots of products available here: earphones and also the Bluetooth headset, Bluetooth earphones, and also there is a power bank friends. So where you can, so as you can see here, there is a power bank. So let us think that if I want to buy this product, so let us click on buy. So once you click on buy, so as you can see here, I have a nearly 600 points. So it has been take the 600 points. So you need to, if you have in points, eligible points for 1316 rupees, so you can directly buy without giving any single rupee. So presently I don't have an amount for the 1360 rupees, so I will buy it later and I will be unboxing in our channel. So you can try this friends, really it's good. So many of my friends have got these products from this website. So you can just download the app and enter my refer code and you can just refer your friends so that you will be getting the free products from this. So here as you can see here, 600 rupees is there. So just click on buy. So here you can use the maximum 100%. So as you can see here, price is 0 rupees. So where you can get the free products also friends. So I would like to buy the power bank, so I am saving my points. So if you like to buy anything, so you can just refer your friends and you can get the free product from this app. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Please do like this video and share this video with your friends and family members.